For archival purposes, it is possible to download a backup of your course structure and content to be stored on your personal computer outside of DC Connect. If desired, this backup can be restored to a new course shell or a sandbox in DC Connect at a future time. Please note that this is not the recommended method for copying a course from semester to semester. The copy components process should be used for that purpose. Log into DC Connect and access the course you wish to back up. Click on the Course Admin navigation option and then the Import Export Copy Components link. Select the Export Components option. Be sure to leave the Include Course Files in the Export Package checkbox selected. Next, click the Start button. On the next page, select the Select All Components option. All the items should now appear as checked. Be sure to leave the Export All Items option selected for each component. Next, click the Continue button. A confirmation page will be displayed. Click the Continue button again. An export summary will appear once the process is finished. Click the Finish button. On the subsequent export summary page, click the Click Here to download the export zip package link. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer. It is important that you do not decompress or uncompress this file. Lastly, click the Done button. You will be returned to the Import Export Copy Components page. Your course backup is complete. Please note that this process does not export any student work or marks, only the structure of the course and any associated supporting files, such as Word documents and PDF files. Log into DC Connect and access the course you wish to populate. Click on the Course Admin navigation option and then the Import Export Copy Components link. Scroll down and click the Import Components option. Then click the Start button. A pop-up window will appear. Click the Upload button. Navigate to the location on your computer where you have stored the zip file you downloaded as a course backup. Select it and click the Choose button. A progress bar will appear. Once it is complete, click the Import All Components button. Another progress bar will show you the status of the import. When complete, click the View Content button. Note that release conditions and intelligent agents are not part of the export-import package. Release conditions that existed on content or activities in the original course will need to be recreated. Any desired intelligent agents will need to be recreated or copied from another course. It is strongly recommended that all announcements, content, files, and activities be reviewed to ensure any date information is appropriately updated. It is also recommended that the most current approved course outline be consulted to ensure your grades align with the current version of the course.